Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are doing well. This is Dr. Muzammil Saeed, Acting Dean, School of Media and Communication, University of Management and Technology, Lahore. In this age of digital world, media has become the part and parcel of life. People from every walk of life are using this medium for their purposes, for their objectives, and even they are using this medium to educate themselves, they are using to get information. Entertainment is also the important factor of this medium. We are watching dramas, films for the enjoyment. This medium is connecting the peoples throughout the world, socially, culturally, politically and economically. Particularly the time of mobile phone has altered the scenario. We are using this medium abundantly to focus on our goals, to achieve our objectives and to use for the daily life. School of Media and Communications has shifted from general to specific, keeping in mind the new scenario, particularly the age of digitalization. We are offering 3 specializations. The first one is journalism studies, the second one is focused film and theatre studies, and the third one is public relations and advertisements. Each specialization is focused to their objectives and to achieve the goals, particularly regarding the media industry. If the students are interested in journalism studies, they want to become an anchor, an analyst, a good reporter, an investigative reporter, a reporter for the international affairs, they can join us in the journalism studies, where we will teach advanced reporting, program designing, local and international affairs. They will get the knowledge to analyze the news, to analyze the current affairs programs, to issues, the world issues like the Kashmir issues, Palestine issues. The persons, the youngsters who are confident to face the camera, they want to work in front of camera, they can join us in journalism studies, which is very helpful to become a good reporter, to become an analyst. So this is a good opportunity which is provided by the UMT. Our second track is public relations and advertising. The people who want to become a public relations officer, they want to write a good communicating report, they want to write an effective report to enhance, to ensure the capabilities and to promote their organization. They will learn here the effective communication, they will learn the planning, they will learn here to communicate to the media industry. And the second part of this specialization is advertising. The people who are innovatives, who are creative, they can join us in this track. They can become a good advertiser, they can write a good content for an effective advertising, because advertising is a basic tool to sell their products and the media industry is using it everywhere. Every producers, every industry using this advertising methodology, planning to sell their products. So if you want a good advertiser, if you have the capability of creative writings, then you can join us for this field. Our third specialization in School of Media and Communication Studies, University of Management and Technology, is the production track, particularly focusing the film and theatre studies. Here student will learn the videography, the photography, camera operating and the content production for the documentary, for the programs, news programs, the current affairs programs. Here mostly the persons who want to become a producers and they want to work behind the camera, they can join us in this production field, focusing the film and theatre studies. They will learn how to make a video, a good video, particularly keeping in mind the production side. The good results of a video will be the focus of this course. Students could be successful in this new scenario by learning new techniques, by utilizing innovation and creativity, particularly in this new world, the world of digitalization. They can use the methods to earn from the world economy. The world is open for them. They can make a video, they can write a column for the world. If they have a capabilities which we are inculcating among the students, they could be successful in life. They can achieve their goals in the media industry and the related firms. Now the world is open, and the main thing, the economics has been shifting towards the digitalization. Only the Facebook and Google are earning more than of the words in the media industry. If we compare the media industry, these two are earning 60% of the whole world, which is very important to keep in mind. From where we can achieve our goals, from where we can get the earnings. If you want a successful person, you should work hard with honesty. School of Media and Communication, University of Management and Technology is fully aware of the new world, the new scenario, the new ways of earnings. That's why we are offering specialization, because this is the time of specialization. We can find out everywhere the specialized persons for each and every type of work. So we are offering specialization, focusing the entrepreneurship and digitalization. Media industry in Pakistan is not as good as we think, but the world is open eyes. We can get the jobs in the world market. We can sell our products internationally. SMCS is offering all the things which you need, which the students need. Graduates will learn here how to earn in the international market. For that purpose, we are offering the foreign languages as well. To communicate effectively to the foreigners, we are offering Chinese, German, French and other languages, keeping in mind the students' focus, the student interest, from where they want to go, from where they want to serve. I advise the students work hard constantly. You can achieve your goal with the knowledge, so increase your knowledge, get the latest information about the affairs, about the products, from which side you want to play. If you want to become an anchor, then increase your political knowledge. If you want to become a good reporter, then choose your field, choose your beat and enhance your knowledge on that particular field. For example, if you want to become a sports journalist, and look the empty vacancies, the place which is empty for you, which is vacant for you, where you can earn and learn easily. The work hard is very important. Work honestly and confidently for your future and for your goals. Thank you very much.